Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV, we're going to be taking a look at the Nerrad Tools Tapex Kit. Before we do open it up though, please keep in mind, I am not a plumber, I am not a trades professional, so I'm just going to be looking at what is literally inside the box, and if I get anything wrong, anything like that, please don't leave too much hate in the comments, guys. I'm just going to be taking a look at it. You can try and educate me in the comments. I look forward to learning a lot from you guys. So with that out of the way, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, let's open this up out of the plastic outer packaging. What I've noticed on the back already, guys, is a little stripe that says, let me just get rid of this. If you can see that on the camera, lifetime warranty, can't go wrong there. Already feels like a nice little sturdy case. Always like a good case with a new tool, so it's not rattling around in the back of the van or anything like that. Nice good clips. Ooh, this was way more than I was expecting. We've got layers of sponge. We've got, this is a neat piece of kit, guys. So just to like comment on the packaging, or the case, should I say, for a second. Love the foam, keeps it all from rattling about again inside. Everything's got its own place. I don't know what most of this stuff is that I'm looking at, but I can already see we've got ratchets and sockets and stuff. We've got sponge in the lid, and what I've also noticed, if I just take that out, we've got our component configuration guide. This will probably be much more useful for me than it is for you guys, because you probably know what you're doing. But assume you don't, or if you've never used a tool like this before, that will be very helpful. And then what we've also got is almost like a shadow board. You can see the tools that you should have in the case. So as I'm looking at it now, that is how it's laid out for me in the case, which is great. So from consulting the configuration guide, I actually am starting to understand a little bit more about what it is I'm looking at. And this is for bath, basin, sink, sockets, monobloc taps and stuff like that. So you've got different options, different attachments for different situations. So knowing a little bit that these are sort of basin wrench type things, I can see that we've got different options. It looks like we've got, according to the configuration guide, I've got different things that I can stop. Wait, hello? Cheeky. Oh my God, it's got even bigger. When will it end? So let me just start with the ratchet. This thing is adjustable, which is cool. Locks in place, pull it back, we can notch it down. If you see on here, we've got different notches, so we can adjust it for different lengths depending on the space that you're working in. And if you've got all the space in the world, you can just get some right good purchase on that. Then we've got like extension bars, and what I've just noticed on this as well, this extends as well. Like everything just extends. So there's some serious length on this, guys. Oh my God, I'm just gonna load this thing up. Look at all these attachments. So one thing I'm noticing with this, guys, is as I've put this together, is I guess it feels like, I assume it covers different situations, different scenarios, because not always, from the limited knowledge I have with basins and trying to get those nuts and different things like that, is you've not always got the most space. This feels like it's got so many different options that you can pretty much cover all the bases with it. If we've got a tight gap at a funny angle, we've got the length, we've got the purchase, we can just get in there and loosen those nuts up, because we're all trying to get that nut. Then we've got our monobloc attachments along here. We've got different mills, so we've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13mm monobloc attachments. Then we've got our 4 different size Tapex nuts that cover the various sink and bath nuts, I assume. And then we've even got a little space for spares, guys. Even got a little space for spares. So thought of everything there. We've got lifetime warranty in the sponge again. The sponge feels really firm. It's going to hold everything in place. Like I say, you even get the foam as well, so we can put that back in the lid and it holds everything nice and tight. But all in all, have I put that in? No, I haven't, Harry. Well done. Love the finish. Chrome vanadium. Looks great. And for fear of going on any longer than I need to, guys, let's wrap it up. That is the Nerrad Tools Tapex Kit. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more unboxings, product reviews from our Testers Club, product demos with brands, and much more. If you're not already part of Tool Talk, where you can save money on the tools you love, click the link in the description, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.